Today's load is another load of Kubota tractors. This one's a backhoe. We got some buckets, front end loader attachments, tires. Yeah, I know the sun's out. Already going to the other side. 2 crated tractors on the back. There you go. This is a Kubota L3301 in the crate. The other one is a Kubota L4060 in the crate. These are the tires for the 2 tractors, the front end loader attachments for the 2 tractors, the front buckets, and you got your little assembled Kubota L47 backhoe. I noticed even though Kubotas are imported from Japan, well, some of them are made in Georgia in the USA, but these have Titan tires on them. Titan tires are made in the USA, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, that's today's load. Flatbed trucking in the USA.